In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get baby discount on Amazon. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Amazon Baby Registry and create a new baby registry by entering your due date and basic information. So once the option appears, click on that. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now you'll need to click on Create Your Registry. Then go ahead and fill in all these details: family information, address and gift options, privacy and email options. Once we're done filling all these information, click on Create Registry. Once your registry is active for at least 14 days, Amazon may unlock a special completion discount for eligible baby items. If you have Amazon Prime, you can usually get up to 15% off selected products, while non-Prime users may still receive a smaller discount. To use this offer, simply add eligible items from your registry to your cart and the discount will automatically apply during checkout. You may also receive extra benefits like a free welcome box and exclusive baby deals. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.